All right, today I have Clorox Zero Splash Bleach Packs, throw in the washer. Now, these are an alternative to the typical liquid bleach that Clorox makes that you add to your wash machine. They come in packs which look similar to the detergent packs that you use to wash your clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up so you can see them, and then I'm going to talk about the instructions that they have written on the side, and then I'm going to actually put these to use. All right, so to open them up, it says unscrew, okay, at the arrows. So there's arrows somewhere, and I'm not sure exactly. Oh yeah, just press that like that. Guess it's a little bit different from how you open up other things that you squeeze the cap. And these are the packs that are inside. All right, so these are the packs, the Clorox Zero Splash packs, and we're gonna read the side. They're kind of strong, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up right here. I'm gonna leave one out, but I can definitely smell the chlorine from it. So let's look at this. It says bleachable fabrics. All right, so Clorox Zero Splash packs are pre-measured for easy dosing. All right, it says right here, bleachable fabrics. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Zoom in a little bit. It says HE, which stands for high efficiency, and standard machine. So these are bleachable fabrics for high efficiency and standard machines. Now the directions, it says add detergent as directed, add 1 bleach pack directly to machine drum. Do not put in the HE dispenser trays, you know, the trays that are at top where it's designed to put a detergent and fabric softener in. It says do not put these in the dispenser trays. It says for extra large or heavy soiled clothes, use 2 packs. For best results, add to drum 5 minutes after start of wash. That may be a little bit complicated because I have a front-loading washer machine and the door locks. I mean, I could, but I don't want to wait around for that, so I'm not going to get the best results as they claim I could get because I'm not going to open it 5 minutes after the start of the wash. It says right here, it goes on to say, packs dissolve fully during wash. All right, so that's for the bleachable fabrics, but there is also other uses that you can use these Clorox, back over here, Zero Splash bleach packs with. All right, so this is what they look like, and there are some more uses for this. And one of them being toilets and sinks. Zoom in a little bit closer so you can see that. It says toilets and sinks. To clean and deodorize, add 1 pack to toilet bowl or full sink of water. Stir to dissolve. Rinse sink thoroughly after use. Okay, so I'm going to be, after I use this for the washing machine, for my clothes, for my sheets and towels, I'm going to also try this out in the toilet and perhaps sink. And then it goes on to say, hard, non-porous surfaces. To clean and deodorize, add 1 pack to 1 gallon of water. Stir to dissolve. Mop or wipe surface with bleach solution. Rinse surface thoroughly and air dry. All right, so those are the directions. Of course, there are some warnings on here that you should definitely read, okay? So make sure you read these before you handle this product. I'm just gonna read one of them, and it says, handle with dry hands only and reseal the container after each use. Okay, so that's really important. But there also comes with instructions and warnings down here that you should read before using to be safe. So let's go ahead and get started with the bleachable fabrics as I wash clothes. Let me get started with that. All right, so I have my bleachable fabrics that I'm going to add to the washing machine, front loading. It's actually a Samsung washing machine. You see that, Samsung. wash machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these bleachable fabrics to it, but first I'm going to do what the instruction says and add the bleachable packs, the splash proof packs in there first. But what I'm going to do is I also have detergent, and then I also have fabric softener. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add detergent. Because this is a larger load, I use 2 packs of detergent according to those instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to the drum. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the bleach packs to it. So I have these 2 right here. I'm going to go ahead and add that to it. And then I also have fabric softener. Now, the dispenser drawer that I was talking about, yes, that needs cleaning. I'm going to actually do a video on cleaning that. I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to go ahead and pour the fabric softener in the compartment where the fabric softener goes. Now remember, don't add any of the packs, bleach packs, to the dispenser because it says not to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and close that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the bleachable fabrics to the wash machine, just like this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the normal wash with that. So with the bleachable fabrics, I tend to go ahead and turn this on. I tend to go for a normal wash and then extra rinse, extra spin, and I typically do hot. All right, and then I also do steam because I want them to be thoroughly clean. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash them. All right, so I've put them into the wash machine. I showed you how to do that. Now I'm going to do the toilet sink use of this right here. It says toilets and sinks, like I said before, stir toilets and sink to clean and deodorize. Add 1 pack to toilet bowl or full sink of water. Stir to dissolve. Rinse, sink thoroughly after use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take one of these out, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into a toilet so I can put this to use, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go do that. All right, so here's my toilet and here's my pack. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this in there, and then it's gonna dissolve. Now I'm supposed to stir it. So I have my magic wand right here, and I guess it's so far down there, I can't reach it to stir it. So I'm gonna have to wait for it to be dissolved. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna see if it's dissolved. And it looks like it's pretty much dissolved in there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just take the magic wand, and I'm gonna go ahead and get in there and just take it and take the liquid and go around in here, and it's gonna be disinfecting the inside of the toilet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let this sit right here to let the disinfection continue in the toilet. It doesn't clean as well, from my opinion, as some toilet cleaners, but it does clean. So perhaps take that into note that you might have to use a little bit of wrist grease in order to actually get the toilet clean. However, it does disinfect by the nature of what the product is. So there it is. I'm letting it sit to disinfect, just like that. And it's clean, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flush it. And it smells fresh, smells clean. We're good to go. All right, that's the splash proof pack in there. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.